Sa darating po na weekend, buong mundo magdiriwang ng araw ng mga ina. Pero ang inyong paboritong kasalo sa umaga, mauuna na po sa selebrasyon dahil ngayong umaga, sasaludo, yayakap at magpapasalamat tayo sa ating mga ilaw ng tahanan. Idadaan natin yan sa ating pangmalakasang pagpaparangal ng ating BMA's Best Mama Awards! Special at para haranahin ang ating mga minamahal na morning mamas, please welcome our very own Starworks artist, Adam Buck.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. How are the mommies feeling? Good? L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. I said love was made for me and you. I said what? I said love was made for me and you.
Napakahusay ni Adam. Grabe, batang-bata pero Frank Sinatra ang kinakanta. Thank you once again, Adam Buck, Starworks artist. At ngayon po mga kapatid, simulan na natin ang pagpaparangal. Ang una nating pagkilala para sa ating best mama na laging grabe ang energy sa umaga. Pak na pak na pak. Napakahusay. And to present the Meow Route support dahil mahilig siya sa mga pusa. Let's call on Nikki at Jude Puno, mga anak ni Laila! Jude, Nikki, go ahead.
Para sa nanay naming may natural sound system, hindi kailangan ng mic. Rinig hanggang kabilang street, totoo yun. Siya lang ang taong kayang makipag-usap sa tao, sa sarili, at sa pusa. Sabay-sabay. Certified cat mom na mas maraming baby talk sa pusa kaysa sa amin madalas. Kapag may kausap siyang pusa, mas sweet pa ang boses niya kaysa kapag inuutusan kami.
Nay, maingay ka man minsan. Ikaw pa rin ang pinaka-comforting na boses sa bahay at sa puso namin.
The Mural Support Mama Award goes to Laila Chicadora.
Laila, can you get the award from your kids?
Teka lang, yung lapel ko. Wow, talagang may pa-award. May pa-award pa kayo sa akin. Thank you. Magsi-speech pa. Wala eh.
Laila, ano gusto mo sabihin, Lai?
Martina, hi, thank you.
Wala, gusto ko lang mag-thank you kasi alam ko na sa work sila. So, both of them are already working. So sobra ako na-surprise. Thank you kasi I know both of them are busy but they really took the time and I'm sure gumising sila ng maaga para lang dito. First time din silang lumabas on TV because mga mahiyain talaga sila. So thank you. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinakain nyo at pinalaklak nyo sa kanilang dalawa para mapalabas nyo sila sa TV. So thank you, Nikki and Jude. Ayan.
Thank you so much, Jude, Nikki. Congratulations kay Mama Laila. Happy Mother's Day sa'yo. Ito naman po, mga kapatid, ang sunod nating award para sa ating Best Mama na laging fresh. Kahit na nga panay ang gala, kain, on the go, kahit saan pumunta, dito man o sa ibang bansa. And to present the malasa at masarap magmahal on the go award. Let's welcome Leon, Lian, and Mason Chua. Mga anak po ni Mama Maui. Lee, Mason, go ahead.
Mama Antukin with signature tikim lines na masarap siya, malasa siya in every bite. A certified trentang ina na always namimiss ang kanyang two boys kahit nasa kabilang kwarto lang naman ang mga bagets.
Sa ganda at freshness, laging napagkakamalang si Zin ng panganay niya. Ganun daw talaga para always ready maging leading lady ng gym niya.
Salamat, Mommy, sa pagiging bestie namin sa galaan at sa pagmamahal na talagang ang sarap, gaya nga ng paborito mong sabihin sa bawat itry mong kainin. The malasa at masarap magmahal on the go award goes to Maui David!
Maui, go ahead. Accept the award.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Maui, ano gusto mo sabihin?
Wow! Lihan, anak, thank you for being here. Hi, anak. I love you so much. Grabe, good morning kapatid family. Grabe kayo, ha? Wow, obviously talagang nagulat ako kasi alam ko yung mga anak ko, bihirang-bihira to. Kaya mapalabas ng bahay or mapadala dito sa studio. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo. Thank you for coming, mga anak ko. You guys are my greatest blessing. Kulang ng isa, si Mavi, pero siguro umiiyak habang ginigising, kaya hindi kinaya. Just wanna say thank you for making me your mommy. I'm so happy na kayo ang naging mga anak ko. Yan ang biggest blessing ko mula sa Panginoon. And napakabait nyo. Thank you for being here. I love you guys so much. So much. Maraming salamat. Good morning, kapatid family.
Thank you, Lian. Thank you, Mason. Congratulations. Happy Mother's Day sa'yo, Mama Maui. Itutuloy pa natin ang paggawad parangal sa ating mga wonder nanay ng Good Morning Kapatid at sigurado ang bawat isa po sa kanila salamin ng mga minamahal nating mga ina. Handa na ang mga plaque ng ating mga presenters, ang susunod nating Best Mama, ang source of inspiration namin sa pagmamahal, kabutihan at paghataw tuwing umaga. And to present the Chillax Cha-Cha Award, our nag-iisang coolest guy mom. Please welcome Sabrina Puno!
Hi, Mom. Ang ating dancers na laging ready sa TikTok challenge, pero nakakalimutan kung bakit siya pumasok sa kwarto. Siya ang super soft na nanay, pero wag ka. Ang upo niya ay laging gentleman style. O nakabuka ka dahil sa sobrang pagiging carefree niya. Coolest mom alert. Salamat sa pagiging aming soft place to land at sa pagtuturo sa amin na ang buhay ay mas masayang sayawan lang. Big Chillax Cha-Cha Award, our coolest guy mom, goes to Chikiro Puno!
Diba? Cha-Cha Award. Tinan mo to? Sabi niya mag-drive lang
lang siya para sa akin, tapos nakadamit na pink, yung pala may gagawin dito. Thank you so much, Adam. Thank you, Martina. Wow, thank you so much, Sabrina.
Mama Chicks, ano
Representing,
gusto mong sabihin?
syempre, yung aking dalawa pang anak at saka yung mga apo ko na. You know, kasi nga, lola na rin ako. Naalala ko tuloy ang mami ko because I think ikaw, malalaman mo to when you're a mom already. You don't realize, you all of a sudden, magkakaroon kayo ng appreciation para sa sarili niyong nanay kapag nanay na kayo. Kasi alam niyo kung how you feel about your kids at kung ano yung gagawin ninyo para sa mga anak niyo. Lulusubin niyo kahit sino, kahit ano, talagang wala kayo, you will stop at nothing for your kids. And then you realize, ganun din pala yung nanay ko sa akin. So, at this point, I want to take the opportunity also to thank my mommy Boots and say Happy Mother's Day to you and of course to all of the mothers of our hosts dito. Because dahil sa inyo, binigyan nyo kami ng ganitong klaseng pamilya na napakasaya. Maraming salamat, Ruth! Alam ko, pakulo mo to. Ian! Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mama Chiki. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Siyempre kay Sam. Maraming salamat. Ito naman po, ang next nating best mama. Love ang pagbabalita. Gaya ng kanyang pagmamahal sa kanin, extra rice. And to present our extra R&R Mama Award as in extra rice and Rub Award. Please welcome Mio Castro.
Hello, Mom. Long time no see.
I missed you.
Siya ang nanay na kaya mag-overthink ng 100 scenarios. Habang kumakain ng extra rice, huwag niyo siyang bibigyan ng microphone kung wala kayong dalang essential oils. Dahil siguradong itotodo niya ang pagiging singers kahit ang ending. Siya rin ang mag-cringe sa sarili niyang boses. Sa bawat haplas ng iyong kamay at bawat awit mo, kahit sintonado, doon namin mararamdaman ang tunay na kalinga ng isang ina. The Extra R&R Mama Award as an Extra Rice and Rub Award goes to Angela Lagunzad Castro.
Thank you.
Jel, gusto mo sabihin?
Okay, sige. Thank you so much. Naiyak naman ako. Oo nga, long time no see. Thank you for being here, Mio. Ano ba yan? I know I do a lot of things, diba? Nagbabalita ako and nagtuturo ako and etc. But I am a mom first and foremost. And thank you to this guy who made me a mom. Thank you.
Thank you, Mio.
Junior ko,
Thank
diba?
you, Angela. Congratulations and happy Mother's Day sa'yo, Angel. Okay, syempre, last but definitely not the least, hindi po paaawat sa chika itong love nating mama. Napakasipag. At para i-present ang Kulambo Couture and Chika Overload Supreme Mama Award. Ito po, panuorin natin to.
Hello, Dimples Romana, mother. I'm hereby awarding you for mastering motherhood with grace, grit, and glamour. Wow. For being an amazing mom of 3 amazing children of 3 very different generations. And for being a multitasking legend, being the best wife, best sister, best friend anyone could really ever ask for. And for just being amazing and a very kind-hearted person in general. The Best Mom Award. Happy Mother's Day. I miss you. Thank you for always being there for me, no matter how annoying. Do I get annoying? I don't think so. Maybe sometimes. I can admit I take full accountability. Thank you for always listening to me rant about things, being happy about things, and thank you for just always being there. I really do appreciate it. No words can really ever express how much everyone and us, me, Dad, Bonch, E, Ate V, Ate Joy, we all really, truly are appreciative of you and we love you. Yeah, happy Mother's Day. I have to go back to work now. I love you.
Thank you, Kali. Ang mismong award, eto, iaabot ni Ilyo! Okay, Dips?
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Adam and Martina. Come. Okay.
Alonso has a game today. Kaya alam ko na, Iyo, you wanna say hi to them?
Okay, say hi. Hi. Can you say good morning? Okay.
I just want to thank our Good Morning Kapatid family for honoring not only us moms here, but all the rest of the moms na nanonood po sa atin. Ang dami ko ng role na nagawa sa buong buhay ko, but the best role I can ever be proud about is really being a mom to my 3 amazing children. Ate Kali, I love you so much. I'm here for you no matter what. I'm already proud you don't even have to do anything. And for Alonzo and Ilio, I hope mommy is doing well. I hope mom is doing the best she could. And to my husband, Papa B, my love, thank you for making me a mom. And to my Mama G, and Mommy Beth, maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal sa aming pamilya. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat. Ate Ruth, thank you. Yes,
We love you, Mama Dips. Happy Mother's Day. And thank you, cute Ilyo. Good morning. Thank you, baby. Good job, Ilyo. At thank you din kay Kali for that message. Ayan. At syempre,
That's your brother.
mga kapatid, gusto din namin pasalamatan ang mga naging bahagi ng ating espesyal na selebrasyon. Doc at Tito Alvin, para sa ating mga Good Morning Kapatid Mamas. Thank you po sa pa-flower bouquet ng Halimuyak, Manila. Thank you so much, Halimuyak. Maraming salamat. At muli, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga best mamas. At mula po sa amin dito sa Good Morning Kapatid, batiin natin. 1, 2, 3. Happy Mother's Day! At sa ating mga nanay, sa lahat ng mga ina, nanay, ilaw ng tahanan, batiin natin silang lahat. Happy Mother's Day! Mga kapatid, Andre Felix po, manatiling may alam pagdating sa mga mahalagang balita sa loob at labas ng bansa. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na po sa social media pages ng News 5.